It is really thrilling to open this center dedicated to innovation and advanced technology around electrification solutions right here in beautiful Memphis, Tennessee. We named it after one of our founders, Robert Thomas, who also happened to be a great innovator. In fact, Robert Thomas holds the most patents of the 1,800 patents that we have as T&B ABB Installation Products Division. He holds the most patents, so we wanted to honor not only our founder, but also the gentleman that spurs pioneering innovation.